In 1752, Benjamin Franklin flew a kite during a thunderstorm, proving lightning was electrical. But did you know that in 1807 a bolt struck the Great Pyramid of Giza, causing a mysterious glow? This phenomenon puzzled scientists for decades. How could ancient structures harness such power? The answer lay in their design, aligning with Earth's magnetic fields. This discovery led to modern lightning rods, protecting countless lives. Imagine if Franklin hadn't dared the storm, would we understand lightning today?